Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY men's casual linen pant for test and try. This is a elastic waist drawstring beach summer pants with a lightweight and a linen trousers. It's good for the summers and then just wear it outside on a beach and stuff. So this comes in a really nice packing. So let me just open up the vacuum packed, and you can see a really nice soft and lightweight fabric linen. Let me just take this out. So there's a good elastic thing here and the extra stuff. So you can see with the length and the proper thing here. So soft and as elastic button and also like this belt stuff. So there's a nice design as you can use a lot of stuff with this. And then after wearing, it feels really comfortable and have the pockets with the belt and the back pockets as well. So very comfortable and nice beach trouser.